The A-22 NeXT, nanoparticle size analysis at the push of a button. Whether in the nanometer or micrometer range, the A-22 NeXT from Fritsch delivers high-precision particle size analysis using static light scattering, fast, reproducible, and intuitive. It covers an exceptionally wide measuring range from 0.01 to 3,800 micrometers. Thanks to intelligent automation, a modular design for wet and dry dispersion, and the user-friendly NeXT Control software, you can start your measurement with just a few clicks, including pH detection, fully SOP-controlled processes, and easy data export and report. The compact system requires only a single laser for the entire measuring range and stands out with easy cleaning, almost maintenance-free operation, and ISO-compliant precision. The A-22 NeXT, easy sizing, great results.